Hello everyone. If you keep getting this error 0xC004F074 when you're trying to activate Windows on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows activation error on your computer. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu, you're going to write here command, you're going to right click onto command prompt, go into run as administrator, click yes on here, you're going to put in this command sfc/scannow. You're going to press enter. You're going to wait for it to complete the system scan. Once it's done completing the scan, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu again. You're going to write here troubleshoot. You're going to click onto other troubleshooters. You're going to click onto Windows Update and you're going to click onto run on here. And you're going to wait for it to complete its thing. Once it's done doing its thing, then what you can do is you can go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with restarting your computer, now you can go ahead and activate your Windows and you won't face that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying Windows activation error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.